Today we are going to make Ney Payasam, which is traditionally prepared in many temples in India. Before going to the recipe, if you have not clicked the subscribe button, please do it. So for making Ney Payasam, we need 1 cup of rice, which is soaked for an hour or 2 in water. So after 2 hours of soaking, it will look like this. Now take an open pan, drain the water completely and then add only the rice to the open pan. Add 3 cups of water. Now you must be thinking 3 cups is more for a glass of rice. The rice should be completely cooked and mashed. And add 2 cardamom for flavor. And in the meantime, you can make the jaggery syrup ready. Here I have taken 100 grams of jaggery. Now you can see the rice is completely cooked and mashed too. And when the rice is mashed like this, your payasam will be very smooth in consistency. Now strain the jaggery syrup and add to rice to remove all the impurities from your jaggery syrup. Let your rice cook well in this jaggery syrup and let it blend well. Now you can see your jaggery syrup is well blended and it gives a nice color to your payasam. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated coconut and mix that also well with your payasam. Let it blend well. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix it well with your payasam. This is a very rich payasam, so we need a lot of ghee in this payasam. As the name says, it's called Ney Payasam. After cooking it for 2 more minutes, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. And mix it well. Let your rice get cooked well in this ghee. You can see the color is changing, and because of the ghee, the payasam is not sticking to the pan also anymore. And your payasam is ready now. Now take a small pan, add some ghee to it. Add few cashews, fry it well, and then you can add some raisins too. Add this to your payasam and mix it well and decorate your payasam with cashew and grapes. And your yummy Ney Payasam is ready. Hope you like the recipe. Please do let me know in the comment section and like and share the recipe with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.